Hello. Since recent back time, I wanted to throw light on some ironic issues. I wanted to discuss some kind of issues like the tractions what our countrymen are giving to some kinds of frivolous reports published by foreign institutions and establishment. So there are a lot of NGOs and government funded establishments based in foreigns that what they are showing, they are showing actually the negative kinds of posture of India in front of world. We can take example of one kind of NGO. I think this is government funded by the United States. Its name is USCIRF, United States Commission on Religious Freedom. So it publishes reports annually, I think biannually. So what it is showing, when our Indian government enacted a bill actually, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. So everyone knows the Muslim community was excluded from this. So this was not the issue. All the things were done according to the constitutional provisions, constitutional limitations. What they are showing, in India, the minority peoples are not enjoying the equal rights. Okay? And I can take other example of hunger worldwide. So this is another kind of NGO which is totally funded by the, I think, government. Yes, government. So they are publishing a report in which our India acquires 107, I think 107 figure out of 121. So in India, at hunger condition, at hunger positions, our India places at 107 out of 121 countries. So do you feel this is true? Our government is providing many kinds of schemes, many kinds of programs which are not only ensuring the hunger but also providing the malnutrition, deficiency kinds of things. We can take example, we can attribute it to the Nation's Food Security Act 2013, which is providing 5 kg, which is providing many kinds of beneficiaries things. Another, we can take example of Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, under which all the persons of a family are entitled to have 5 kg wheat per month. So I can take example of many other things also, but I think this is enough. So these are the things what our government is doing to get rid of hunger, and what actually they are showing, that we are placed at 107 points out of 121. So these are other things which can be shown by the other government institutions, or and this is different from the reports which are true according to the Indian government measurements. We are also having some kinds of institutions in our government like Niti Aayog and Ministry of Labour and Employment. So these kinds of ministries are also publishing reports, and these are not groundless. Actually, the people go to administrations or executives officers go through the ground and check out all the formalities, and actually they are just checking what is the actual ground reality of the people, whether they are hunger or whether they are not. So at that place, I can take example, I can think right away, Sanjeev Sanyal. He is one of the Prime Minister Advisory Commission person. He has exposed all these kinds of reports of UN or any kind of NGO. So why we are giving some kind of traction to the people of world? So why we are